Welcome to the Engineering College of Technology, an innovative provider of industry-leading engineering degrees.
We are part of the globally respected Engineering Institute of Technology, shaping engineering education since 2008. At ECT, we specialize exclusively in engineering and technology, focused on high-quality engineering education that are industry-focused.
Well, with our courses, they're designed to give the students practical skills that they can use in their engineering career and to give them the skills that engineering employers are looking for. ECT offers a truly global learning experience, connecting you with a worldwide network of industry-based lecturers. With our hands-on remote and virtual laboratories, advanced simulation software, and live stream video and web conferencing, you'll gain an education that's globally recognised and meets UK national educational frameworks, ensuring you're ready for success wherever your career takes you.
Here at ECT, our engineering degrees are different from the rest. We are niche, highly specialised and practical, focusing on areas of engineering that are in demand. We are focused on hands-on practical experiences. That's what matters, because that's what drives your career.
Choosing ECT means investing in a personalised education experience. With expert instructors, interactive courses, and flexible online learning, you'll gain an education that's not only internationally recognised, but also highly relevant to the real-world demands of engineering industries. Our dedicated learning support team is here to guide you every step of the way.
Our degrees are designed in collaboration with engineering industry experts, making sure you get practical, relevant, industry-focused education. If you're passionate about engineering, ECT is the place to be.
Join a global community of engineers and shape the future of engineering with ECT. Visit our website and take the first step towards your engineering career today.